Hi guys, how's it going? Don't you ever get tired of every time you want to top up the pressure on your tire, you have to bring the hose to your tire, connect the hose to the compressor, make sure the compressor have enough pressure to fill up the tire? Well, then after that you have to roll the hose back and put it where they belong near the compressor. Well, now you can do that conveniently by using this Jansite wireless air pump. So this wireless air pump will make your life a bit easier by just doing this directly to the tire. So in today's video I'm gonna talk about the Jansite wireless air pump. So now let's get started. So here we have the Jansite wireless air pump, and this one has a newest upgrade on them. Also it has a 4 inflation mode, and this is a cordless air compressor that can power up even though you run out of battery on the compressor. It can be powered up by using the auxiliary cable connected to a power source on your car. So this is good for 150 psi of pressure, and has an LED light for emergency, and can also check your tire pressure. It has a large capacity, so you can use it as a power bank, and it has good heat dissipation because the body is made out of aluminum, and it has a lot of cooling vent holes on them. So now we're gonna open up the box to see what's inside. Let's check it out. So here we have the instruction manual. I suggest you read this before you use the unit. There's a lot of instruction here how to operate the wireless compressor. You got a thank you card, and comes with a pouch. So if you want to bring your compressor inside the car or on your trunk, you can put in the pouch with all the accessories so you don't lose the accessory. So inside here is the compressor. It's pretty heavy. It's a nice aluminum finish, black finish with a lot of vent holes on the side, so that's good for cooling. So now I'm gonna measure the compressor. So the length is about 6 3/4. The width is 2 3/4 with a thickness of 2 inches. Now we're gonna take out this plastic screen protector here. So it has a big LCD screen, so you can monitor what's the status or what's the function that's on right now. So we're gonna turn it on by pressing for a few seconds. So here we have the battery indicator, and now it's on the bicycle mode, and the pressure is it's not reading any pressure right now. So here you have the positive sign to increase the pressure, here to reduce the pressure. Here we have the SOS for the lighting, and here is to cycle the modes. We'll check it out. So now it's on the motorcycle. This one is for the basketball. You're gonna inflate a basketball. So this is already preset, so we don't know how many pressure is in this, but you can check the manual. But now it's not reading any pressure because it's not connected. And this one is for the car tire pressure. So you can adjust the pressure of the car. You can just change the PSI or bar. Okay, so PSI, bar. So if you want to change the mode to PSI, from bar to PSI, you just have to hold this button here on the lower bottom right corner. This will change the mode to bar or PSI pressure. See, now it's on KPA, PSI, and bar. But if you just click a short click, it's gonna change to the mode, like bicycle mode, car mode. So if you're in the car mode and you want to change the bar to PSI, you just have to hold for a few seconds, then it's gonna become PSI. So now we're gonna check the rest of the accessory inside the box. So this is the hose that connects to the compressor by screwing this end here, and this one connects to the tire that you want to inflate. You can screw it by installing like this. So you have your LED emergency light here, or SOS light. Here we have the USB-C and the regular USB, and this is the power connection. So here we have the extended power cable. In case you run out of battery, you can still use this compressor by plugging in directly to your 12-volt power source in your car. So this one goes to the cigarette lighter plug, and this one goes to the compressor. So you can still use it even though you run out of battery. So here we have the USB-C cable on a standard USB. And here we have other types of valve for inflating inflatables. And some extra adapter here. This one is to inflate the basketball, and another one here to inflate the some kind of an inflatable toy or something. So here we're gonna check the how the light works. So if you want to use a regular emergency light, just have to press this SOS button here on the top right corner here. Just press it once, gives you the flashlight mode. Give it another press, and you're gonna get the slow blinking red emergency light. Another press gives you the fast red blinking red light. Another press turns it off. So to use it as a power bank, all you have to do is connect the standard USB on this plug here, and on the other end you can charge your device by plugging the USB-C. So in case you don't use USB-C, you can still plug in your regular cable to the standard USB, and then you can charge your gadget. So to charge the unit, you need to plug in the USB-C here, and this you can plug it on the USB charger. Turn it on again. We'll see how noisy it is. Sounds like a standard air compressor to me. So it's not very loud at all. It sounds like a regular small air compressor. That's it. So this compressor can inflate car tires, about 5 car tires, and each tire takes about 5 minutes to inflate. It can work continuously for 20 minutes. So this one has an intelligent start-stop technology. That means when the inflation is up to the desired pressure, it's gonna stop automatically. So this has a quick inflation of 20 liters per minute. So now it's time to test. So the tire pressure for the front tire is 32 psi for the front. So now the tire is less than 10 psi of pressure inside. So it's almost flat. As you can see, the sidewall is very small. So turn this on. So now I'm on the car mode. It's on PSI. I'll set it up to 32. So now it's 32 PSI. So now it's reading only 11 PSI on the pressure of the tire. So we're gonna time how much it takes, how long it takes to fill it up to 32. So now I have my stopwatch here on my phone. I turn it on. So it took about 6 minutes and 39 seconds to fill up from less than 10 psi of pressure to 32 psi of pressure to fill up the front tires of this BMW. Well, it's not too bad. They claim 5 minutes, but 6 minutes and 39 seconds is pretty good. So far guys, I'm liking the compressor. I think it's a good product. So no more rolling of hoses every time I want to top up my tires. I think this is gonna be a good product. So guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.